Yeah, I just noticed that.
What would you do without me?
I thought he forgot about me.
So I gotta fix that for next go around. Who's excited?
Me.
Where are we going?
Southside.
Yeah. Woohoo! So we're going to Durhamtown. We are leaving the house finally. It's a little later than I wanted to be. 7:20, but that's because of me. Got the side-by-sides loaded up, ready to go. Other than Frank, wherever he's at, somewhere hiding. But we're going to meet up with some friends and hit the road.
Oh my god. What? Grasshopper? Yeah. Grasshopper. Alright, Chris's.
Well, we have made it to Durhamtown. Who's excited? Nobody. Nobody's excited. Here we are at Durhamtown. Yes, it is freaking a great place. We've been here one other time and enjoyed the heck out of it. We're up here at the pro shop getting ready to check in. We're gonna hit the trails here in a bit. We gotta get all this stuff taken care of. The ladies gotta go to the restroom. You know how it goes when you get here. We gotta meet up with our friends. They're here. They just got unloaded, but we're gonna go in here and get our pans and pay. We'll see you in a minute. Now, before we hit the tracks and trails, we make sure we have our cardos ready to go.
Let's get it. Your TV's dark. All right, we'll pull over in a minute and get it. Let's get through all this stuff right here.
It's too hot to be climbing rocks.
I mean, this isn't really that hard at all. Of course, I say that. Watch what'll happen when we get up here. Oops. I can feel the heat now, though. Let's take the high. Maybe I should have left the shocks on the softer setting for that part. I think I go this way. Yeah. There we go. Ooh, slippery. Say that the fender flares are doing a lot better than the old ones. Oh! Crab walking it. I guess I could put it in four-wheel drive.
Why, Christopher?
Why was it like I intentionally did it?
You did. Stop turning this way.
Uh-oh. Oh, boy.
Sophie?
I should have took the low line. Some muddy stuff right here. Might as well just not even worry about it. Pretty sure that's just where we came from. I think we're going to catch back up to them, because I have a feeling this comes back. Here we go. We're gonna go up this hill.
Ready? Aubrey.
Oh, this ain't nothing. I thought it was gonna be a little tougher than that. Being it as muddy as it is. I'll go back the other side. Why not? Oh, big rut, big rut, big rut. I want to go in that. All right, here we go. Oh, big bump, big bump. Ooh. Woo! Aubrey, did you like that? We'll come back and do it again.
Ride 1 is down. We've been out riding. You can see how muddy everything is. Well, Frank's isn't as bad. You having fun, Aubrey? You want to get out for a minute? You want to stay seated? I lost y'all, sorry.
All that technology and you still get lost.
Hey, don't drive so slow.
Lily got stuck twice.
Really?
I had to push her out one time.
I had to hit 4-wheel drive a couple of times because it was spinning.
Yeah.
It's dirty, but it's not. I mean, it's dirty, but it's not like dusty. So it's,
Yeah.
I mean, it's a lot of mud.
The trails are perfect. I like it.
Yeah, some spots get a little sketchy. I gotta clean the windshield off. I don't think, do they have a water hose up there?
I think they do.
I want to go at least rinse the windshield off because it's filthy, hard to see out of. I'm enjoying it.
It's fun. Yeah, the trails
I mean,
are perfect.
I think Frank's hating it. You hating it? He don't like it? He too.
You want me to drive you around?
Always having to save you. Never fails.
I got all this a little smaller than this one.
Whoa, this is yours.
Better.
Jeez.
Yeah, I just noticed that.
Unlock your trunk.
What would you do without me? You'd be riding with a tore up fender. That's what you'd be doing. I was gonna put that one back in and
Stress-free life.
Okay, this one's better.
get in there.
Hey, can you hear me? We just stopped for a second.
I have to take her back to the potty before we go out.
All right. What do you want to drive her up there? Y'all go, or you want me to go with you? I'll go. We'll go up there. Keep up? Huh? Tell him, Aubrey, tell him hasta la vista.
right, well, that was the turbo track. That was a pretty fun track. Now we got a ton of people coming out. First time we've been on it. I think everybody enjoyed it. So now we're going to head on. Aubrey, did you like that track?
He's actually good at riding on two wheels. I'm surprised. Alright, so we have a little bit of a side mission. We gotta go take some fuel to a dirt biker in need. So we're now gonna try to find the dirt bike. I was told he's on MX4. And we figured out D to F to R should get us to MX4. Needing gas? Oh.
I thought he forgot about me.
No, he's like, hey, can you take this down there? We just pulled back up. You mind taking it down there? I'm like, no. All right.
I appreciate you, man.
Yeah, no problem. And here is the GP track. Good. Track open?
Yeah, good.
All right, appreciate it. here. Yeah, the jumps, we're rubbing up here and we're rubbing down here on the frame. So I gotta fix that for next go around. Let's see where else I've been hitting at. I think that's the only places I've hit was on the front. Ooh, it is hot out here, super hot. Welcome to Georgia heat. Yeah, this side's hitting too. Woo, we are done. It is 92 degrees and it's 3 o'clock. We're getting home. Who had fun?
I did.
Aubrey?
Yeah.
Blair?
I did, but it was hot.
Yeah, it is hot. 92 degrees in Georgia. It's, yeah, not fun. Oh, we're hitting the Rockies on the way out. But anyway, we're heading home. We'll see you in a bit. Well, we are back from Durhamtown. Holy moly, it was a great ride, but man, I am wore out already. Just dropped the wife and kid off to get a shower because, well, as you guys may can see, we got muddy. So now the fun part has got to begin. I gotta get these things unloaded and wash them. I'm not looking forward to that because, well, it's just not the fun part of it. But we're gonna get these things unloaded, get them cleaned up. I'll check back with you in a minute. Well, here we are. It is Sunday. It has finally cooled off today a little bit. The sun's going down, but we got the machines cleaned up. Guys, if you ever get a chance to go to Durhamtown, I highly recommend it. It is a great place to ride. Super fast trails, one-way trails, so you don't have to worry about coming head-on to anybody. There are a few two-way ones, but there's very few. I would say there's a little bit of everything, but there's really, I say that, we didn't even get to the Jeep park. We didn't even see a fraction of the park. We got to go back because there's a lot more stuff that I want to go see that we just haven't got a chance to do. It's hard to do in a day, especially when it's so hot out. So when it cools off, we're going to get back over there. But there is still a lot of things to do there. There's racetracks. There's super fun trails that are actually kept up really well. They keep the stuff up really good. There's not a huge amount of ruts and stuff to get into. Now, I think over on the Jeep side of things that you go to, I think it's kind of more of the crawling type stuff. We're going to hit that up one day. Stay tuned because we got so much more, including something that I've got installed in there that we took out on this trip. It was my first time. I think it's something you all are going to like, but I want to do a complete review on it, as well as we're going to have an install video on it. But appreciate you all for watching. We'll see you on the next one.